another C8 in the shop. Took it all apart, front bumpers off. You gotta be careful with this one if you don't know what you're doing. Rear bumpers off. Going for a complete new look. We're also installing a Z06 spoiler. Taking the factory one off. It's gonna be a little more aggressive. We took all the panels off. Everything's off already. Just need to prep it and get it ready to get wrapped. It's one of those greens over there, but I'm not sure exactly which one. I think it's gonna be acid lime green.
Somebody all in the drink. See you need
that. Alright, let me give you guys an update on the C8. Here's a bumper. Pain in the ass, but coming along. It's almost complete. Too hard to say front bumper and rear bumper on a C8, so. But it's coming along well. All the calipers are complete except for this one back here. We'll finish it up today. It is tedious work, but you know, once it's done and it's done right, it comes out nice. So I'm gonna cut no corners. Everything's broken down, taken apart. You want to make sure you do it right. Do it right the first time around, so customers have no issues. They don't want to come back, and we don't want them to come back, obviously, unless they're wrapping in a different car. But what do you guys think about the color? It's pretty clean. And then we still have the spoiler that we're gonna put on, the new spoiler, after everything is said and done. But yeah, we should be wrapping up most of it today. Customers picking it up on Monday. Today is Saturday, so we're on a little bit of a time crunch. We got this one. We still got to do that Cybertruck. Cybertruck's gonna be a chrome black, which we'll post in a separate video, but it's this right here. Can't really tell in video, but this is a chrome black finish. We already cut out all the panels. We actually laid this one, see? I don't know if you guys can tell. But once the sun hits it outside, man, it's gonna look different. Yep. We're gonna try to wrap this one up by Monday as well. Obviously, we're not gonna rush through it, but got a lot of work to do. Stay tuned.
What's going on, guys? Back here at jayzeewraps. We're finishing up this Corvette C8.
It's a nice color. Got this one too. Hey, honestly, I think if you angle it this way a little more, it'd be better.
What's going on, Jayzeers?
Finished product. Might need to angle that one too a little. Might need to angle that one a little bit.
What's going on, jayzeewraps?
Got tint, brake calipers wrap, new spoiler added. Yeah, this boy came out clean. We have this one. This one's up next. This one we're actually doing a metallic matte black on. Not matte black, gloss black. So I like the white, but